So update. Check engine light came on. It's gonna be my MAF sensors. So let me get those ordered, and then I'll replace them and see what's up. And hopefully the next video is just gonna be on the MAF sensors. And I'll keep you guys updated on this. Hopefully this video helps you guys as well. Well, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep up with the more content of the Q50 and the S15 that's almost home. Thank you guys for watching. Things go wrong. But yeah, let me get started with this. I'll probably do like a little time lapse of me taking them on and off. It should be pretty simple. Just the two screws right here, and then unplug the harness back on. All right, so location for the MAF sensor is right here. This little connector harness. It's the one on your intake. That's for the driver's side. Passenger side, it's a little bit more crowded in there, but it should be still pretty easy. It's that one right there. But yeah, let me just get started with this, and I'll get back with you guys and see if that was a fix. I'm gonna disconnect the battery too real quick, just so just to kind of resets the system and see what it does. Oh yeah, and just a reminder, it's gonna be a 7mm. Just make sure you grab your bolts, they don't fall off. All right, so the driver side is off. Pretty easy. I'm just gonna, take it off and put it on right away. I'm not gonna take both of them off. So, yep, pretty easy. Something interesting to think that GDM will have some Euro parts made in Germany. Just thought that was interesting. Never would have expected it. But here's the new one compared with the old one. So you can see some color difference. Obviously this is used, but yeah, let me get back to installing this and putting it back on. All right, driver sign's on fully. Let me move on to the passenger side real quick. So my hands can't reach. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a flathead so I can just, press it and then just pull it off. Let me go get that real quick. All right, so now with the top off, I was able to reach both my hands and just unplug it. One from one side, one from the other side. It's a little tight, but it makes it easier. So just take it off right away if you have to change your MAF sensors, or if your hands are small enough, then go ahead. You don't need to do what I did. But yeah, let me get to unscrewing the old MAF and then putting on the new one. All right, battery's connected, MAF sensor's connected, this side's connected. That's a moment of truth. I swear, if it's still doing the weird idle thing, I don't know. I'm gonna take it to the shop at this point. Check engine light is on. What? It's not idling so rough no more. So hopefully that was my solution. Maybe I just need to drive a little bit more, let the codes kind of reset. Damn, but yep. All right, so the car's been on for more than 5 minutes. As you can see, the temps are getting up. It's not idling weird no more. It should be fine. Yeah, it just seems to be running pretty good. Get it for reverse, and it stays pretty. Doesn't even keep going up and down, rough idle anymore. But hope you guys like this video. Something out of my comfort zone, obviously. I don't know, something about me recording cars and explaining and fixing them and stuff is not really my thing. More on the creative side of I guess not really mechanic work, whatever is modding a car like based on like looks. That's more me. I will do mechanic work, and I do it. I just, something about recording is like, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. But you know, when you get into this whole this hobby, you know, it's a lot of hands-on and a lot of self-taught things, and YouTube obviously. So, you know, hope you guys like this video. Hope it helps some of you guys. If you get that weird idling, you get those codes. As you can see, master volume airflow sensor and the absolute pressure sensor. This would be your MAP sensor. This is your MAF sensor. So MAF, MAP. They're a little bit pricey. So if you want to do it yourself, you can. Honestly, you could do it yourself. And yeah, should be good to go. You know, make sure you guys stay up to date with the channel. Q's coming back. S15 is gonna be the car that changes my life. Well, I hope so. Let's manifest it. But yep, we'll catch you guys next in the next video. Hopefully it's the S15 this time. Peace. All right, so I lied. I already went to my homie's house. You know, we were able to clear out the codes. But yeah, it's just a matter of driving a little bit more and just getting the whole system to be basically all good again. Since, you know, it's new sensors, you gotta drive it around a little bit. You know, it turns right on perfectly. No check engine light. That warning light is just my tire pressure sensor. You know, my tires are stretched. Obviously, stance boy. But you know, my battery's low. It's a bunch of little stuff that's fucked with this car right now. But you know, the main part, check engine light, is out the way. Let me drive it a little bit more, get it registered, and you know, I could drive it more without having to be worried. But like I said, you know, appreciate you guys for watching. It wasn't much of an interesting video, but hope it helps you guys out in one way or another. And yep, you know, follow my Instagram, keep updated with all my cars, more daily posts on it and stuff. You can hit me up if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer and try to help out with the knowledge that I have. I'm no mechanic. I just simply work on my car, look at videos, and go from there. If I really need to do something else, then that's when I take it to a shop. But for the most part, this is what my channel is gonna be about. And yeah, a little bit cinematic. Be making some pretty dope vlogs, videos, a little bit different from other people. But you know, appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, help me out, and let's try to make this a good year and see where we could go or get from here.